Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show you about zombie, how to make a zombie AI. This is the second part. In first part, I show you how to make a zombie character zombie animation and how the zombie chase you and attack you. So in this part, I'll show you how to you can kill the zombie with your gun. We create our gun logic in previous tutorial. If you follow the tutorial, you already know it. So currently, if we fire the gun, it not affected the zombie. It just passed through the zombie. So I created a BP gun projectile in my previous tutorial. This is the basically a bullet. So I created inside blueprint and character. So here is the BP gun projectile. So now I add a particle system, and select in the particle system and add the template. I add the P explosion, which is inside our starter content, and by default it auto activation is true. So I just made it false. I name it the particle system to P explosion. Now drag and drop it. We have a use of it in here. Make it straight. Just organize your node so it look like nice. I'm doing it now. So from the P explosion, I add set active. So when our spare hit with the actor begin overlap, it will explosion. We see the explosion. Compile and save. So now if we play and if we get the gun, if we go near the zombie and fire, it explodes. You can see. So in here zombie is looking through us, but it's the animation. We make our pawn sense in like 90 degree, but you can make it 180 or whatever you prefer. So if you increase it, the zombie can see all of the side. So if you think it's a bug or something like that, you can fix it like that. But I think it's fine. I don't change anything. I don't want to change anything. So I just now from zombie master, I create a custom event. I name it death zombie death, and here zombie will die. So I add a do once node. It will do play only once, and from that I add a sound, play sound 2D. I add the zombie death sound. If you remember our previous tutorial, I add the sound in previous tutorial. I import it. So I get the mesh, and from here I add anim montage, play montage. And I add death zombie. And when it's complete, it just destroy actor. Compile and save. So I go to the BB gun projectile, and here I add my zombie death with attached to our zombie master. So you need to add event actor begin overlap, which I already add. But if you don't add it, please right button and add it. So I already have it. So I make some space and class to BB zombie master. Be sure you search the clear name, otherwise you don't find your whatever you're looking for. So make a little bit more side, and I add death zombie custom event, which we add inside the zombie master. Just add it. So compile and save, and please organize your node whichever you prefer. So play the game, get the gun, and fire to the zombie die, and the zombie return, which is not perfect. So we need to fix the animation. And how can we do it? Let me show you how can you do it. So inside our zombie master, we add when it's complete, it's a destroy actor, so we need to add a delay from here, from the top, and I add 1.9 second, which is not perfect. 1.5 second is perfect, so I just show it to you. So if we have 1.9 second, which is basically the length of the animation, so it's down, it's back. So go to the zombie master again and decrease the duration to 1.5 second. Now if we play, and if we have the gun, if we shoot the zombie die and destroy, which is perfect in my eye. So this is today's part. We can kill the zombie from our own run, but be sure don't go close to the zombie with the gun. You cannot kill in short range, and run through your life to save your life. Go behind the zombie so zombie can't see you, and kill the zombie. So this is the today's tutorial. Bye bye everybody.